Hey, welcome to Rust Order Garage, or welcome back to Rust Order Garage if you were a regular. This is my piece of junk parts car, 1992 Caprice wagon that I bought a couple weeks ago. And while I'm waiting for my ignition switch to get here in the mail from wherever, I figure, why not see if this thing runs? Supposedly this engine is seized. Let's see what we can do with it. All right, well, while I'm waiting for my ignition switch on the 56 so I can paint the dash, I'm gonna play around with this parts car a little bit here. Supposedly this engine is seized. Let's see. Do we get it free? That's not seized anymore. Look at that. Oh, this is going to be fun. So, yeah. He's turning. Huh, that's pretty good. That was easy. Wow. I knew there was no way a small block Chevy could seize in 6 months so badly that we couldn't get it broken free. I figured it was a stuck AC compressor, but then when I looked at this style of front end accessory drive, I saw that big old smog pump, and those are usually the things that seize up. Now, I'm going to put a battery on it. Why does this have a battery isolator and 2 battery cables? That I don't know. I'm going to put a battery in this thing and see if it cranks over. All right, now, let's see. Missing a bolt for the ground. I got to find a bolt. Now, do I expect this thing to start and run? Not really. At least not without me dumping gas in it. And this is let's see here. I have some weird, what is that? I have some modifications done on this thing that I don't know what they are. There are some rusted lines down there that are capped off. I don't know what that's for. I'm going to get a bolt, hook up the ground, see if it turns over from the key. Got noises. If this thing runs, this would be crazy. What's the chances of this thing having a good fuel pump in it? Let me turn the key on and see if I hear anything. Key is on. Let's see No way! No! The alternator is locked up. Woo! That's hot. Okay, the alternator is frozen. Let me see if I can get that broken free a little bit here. Or something is frozen. Seem like, get you at that. It turns free with the ratchet, but the belt is slipping on it. Maybe the tensioner's not working? didn't even check the oil in this thing because I didn't think I was actually going to get it running. That's like brand new oil. Little low, but not empty. Probably down a quart. Not enough for to make a difference. See if we can fire it back up and get those lifters to quiet down. Sounds a little louder than lifters. Very strange because it's running through this silk. I just revved it up and blew this out the tailpipe. Something was living in there. Not sure what the noise is. It's running very smooth. Maybe it's an acorn in there or something. I'm going to run it a while. If it's a bearing, I'll blow it up. If it's not, it'll quiet down, I think. I don't know. I'm just going to run it and see what happens. Definitely in the front of the engine. Could be number 2 rocker arms. This side sounds pretty good. Number 8 sounds a little knocky too. Oh, it hasn't blown up yet. I'm going to run it for a little while. Well, the AC does not work, which is disappointing. I'm going to open up the air cleaner. I probably should have looked in there first for mouse nests, considering where this car sat and what all blew out of it. So I'm going to open up the air cleaner and see what's in there. All right, let me see this. We got here this Star Wars looking air filter here. When does this come off? Like that. Huh, okay. No mouse nest. That's pretty impressive, actually. What do we got here? is a TBI injection. Does this come off? It does. Wow, that looks really good. Looks real clean, super clean. That's cool. All right. So, get this back in. Nothing to see here, which is nice. This is a crazy. Oh, wait. Somebody was here. Somebody was here. I think I blew them out the tailpipe. So am I doing this right? No, this goes like this. So they didn't get into the, yeah, they did not get into the throttle body. They just got into this thing, which is okay. Let's see. I like it. Let's fire that back up. Let's see. That runs good. Well, as far as I'm concerned, this is a good engine. I don't care. That little tick in there, and that's no big deal. When I get the engine out, I'll check the lash on that rocker. But this is not a 305, this is a 350, so they generally did not have flat cam issues. It was usually the 305s that would flatten cams. So, shouldn't be a flat cam, could be a sticky lifter from sitting. Maybe just an oil change and go. This is definitely hitting all 8. It's a good engine. The only question will be whether I keep the fuel injection or put a carburetor on it. She runs good. I don't know. Hey, you think this thing will do a burnout? Supposedly it's got a posi rear in it. Yeah, we got a posi. You know what's even sillier? The ticking went away. Guess that's all I needed was a nice high RPM blast. So it's running hot. I think I'll shut it off. I guess the temp gauge doesn't work. Woo, baby. Yeah, she's warm. Might be a little low on coolant. All right, so nothing, a little higher RPM blast won't fix. That's freaking awesome. That engine runs great. So as long as I didn't overheat it and blow it up, it should be good to go. Sweet. Yeah. Now I'll go check the mail and see if I can get the ignition switch checked and get that dash painted. So, if you haven't checked out the channel, check it out. This is a really cool build. And if you have subscribed, thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one.